Hey, future drivers, getting your first car is one of the most exciting milestones in life, but it can also be pretty overwhelming. With a $20,000 budget, you want something reliable, safe, affordable to maintain, and maybe even a little fun to drive. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 cars that are perfect for new drivers, vehicles that will teach you good habits, keep you safe, and won't drain your wallet. Starting at number 5, the Nissan Sentra. You can find a solid 2015 to 2017 model for around $12,000 to $16,000, and this car is all about making your life easy. The Sentra isn't going to win any racing awards, but that's actually perfect for a beginner. The CVT transmission is smooth and predictable, no sudden jerks or stalls to worry about. The visibility is excellent, which is crucial when you're still learning spatial awareness. Plus, Nissan's reputation for reliability means you won't be stuck on the side of the road learning how to change a tire on your second week of driving. The interior is spacious enough for friends, the trunk fits all your college gear, and the fuel economy means more money for, well, anything other than gas. Number 4, the Honda Civic. This is probably the most recommended first car ever, and there's a good reason for that. A 2014 to 2016 Civic will run you about $7,000 to $18,000. Here's what makes the Civic special for beginners. It's forgiving. Make a mistake with the clutch in the manual version, the engine won't stall as easily as other cars. The steering is light and responsive, but not twitchy. The brakes are progressive. They do exactly what you expect them to do. But the real magic happens when something goes wrong. Honda parts are everywhere, mechanics know these cars inside and out, and YouTube is full of DIY tutorials. This is a car that will teach you about automotive basics without punishing you for learning. Plus, you get options: sedan for practicality, coupe for style, or if you can find one, the SI for when you're ready for a little more excitement. At number 3, the Toyota Corolla. Price range $13,000 to $19,000 depending on year and mileage. If the Civic is the most recommended first car, the Corolla is the most practical. The Corolla is like that reliable friend who's always there for you. It starts every morning, gets incredible gas mileage, and will likely outlast your interest in driving it. The 2014 Plus generation brought Toyota's excellent safety suite, including automatic emergency braking, perfect for new drivers who might need that extra safety net. What I love about recommending the Corolla to beginners is the peace of mind factor. Your parents will sleep better knowing you're in one of the safest, most reliable cars on the road, and when you're ready to sell it in a few years, Corollas hold their value better than almost anything else. Number 2 brings us to the Mazda 3, ranging from $12,000 to $17,000. This is where we start talking about cars that are actually fun to drive while still being perfect for beginners. Mazda has this philosophy called Jinbaitai. It means horse and rider as one. What that translates to in real-world driving is a car that feels connected to you. The steering has actual feedback, the chassis is balanced, and the engine responds eagerly to your inputs. For a new driver, this is incredibly valuable. The Mazda 3 will teach you what good driving dynamics feel like. You'll learn to appreciate smooth inputs, proper cornering technique, and the satisfaction of a well-executed parking maneuver. The interior punches way above its price point. It feels more premium than cars costing twice as much. The infotainment system is intuitive, and the build quality is excellent. This is a car you'll be proud to drive whether you're picking up friends or meeting your date's parents. And our number 1 pick, the Toyota Camry. You can find a solid 2014 to 2016 model for $14,000 to $19,000, and this represents the gold standard for first-time car buyers. Here's why the Camry takes the top spot. It's the complete package. While other cars on our list excel in 1 or 2 areas, the Camry does everything well. It's roomy enough for your friends, reliable enough for your parents to sleep soundly, and refined enough to make every drive comfortable. The 2012 to 2017 generation hit the sweet spot. Toyota ironed out all the reliability issues from earlier years, but these cars haven't reached the inflated prices of newer models. The 2.5-liter engine provides plenty of power for highway merging and city driving, but it's not so powerful that new drivers will get into trouble. Safety-wise, this generation introduced Toyota Safety Sense on many models, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. These aren't just luxury features, they're guardian angels for new drivers still developing their hazard recognition skills. But the real reason the Camry tops our list is peace of mind. This is a car that will start every morning for the next 200,000 miles. Maintenance is predictable and affordable, parts are available everywhere, and when you're ready to sell it, Toyota's resale value means you'll get a good chunk of your money back. Before we wrap up, a few honorable mentions that just missed our top 5. The Hyundai Elantra,
excellent warranty coverage for new drivers who worry about repairs. The Kia Forte, tons of features for the money. The Subaru Impreza, all-wheel drive confidence in any weather. And the Volkswagen Jetta, European refinement at an affordable price. Each of these has something special to offer, but our top 5 represent the perfect balance of safety, reliability, affordability, and learning potential. Which one of these 5 would be your pick? Let me know in the comments.